Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair. Guys, our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we will show you how to clean leather seats the right way, make them like brand new, no matter how dirty those are. Check this thing out, guys. Now that seat is terrible. Stay with us, definitely need to stay with us to see how that thing will turn like brand new. Look at it, it's terrible. You can see in the pores how dirty it is when I get a close view. And this needs to come out of there. It hasn't been cleaned in a long time. Nobody took care of it. We just got the car, so we need to restore the leather now. You can see it's really bad. So stay with us, we'll show you how to do that thing like brand new now. Okay guys, what we use for this purpose now, leather cleaner. Okay, this is by Chemical, guys. You can use other ones as well. You need to make sure that it is pH balanced. Right here that it says pH balanced. If it's not pH balanced, it's going to dry your leather and it will eventually crack in the future. So make sure it's pH balanced. We use that one, it works pretty good. We have it in a spray bottle now. So what we're going to do, we're going to spray the seat pretty good because that thing needs some good cleaning. Okay, and let it soak for about a minute and we'll be ready to start. You need to find a soft brush. Okay, soft brush like that, not to be hard one, because you will damage the leather if it's a hard brush. You need to make sure it's soft and you need to start working your way. Okay, just like that, and you will see how that thing will turn like new now. Okay, you can see the foam already started activating and it cleans the pores. That's why you need a soft brush, so it can go deep in the pores. So we just keep working the whole seat back and forward. You need to cover the whole area. If you have really bad leather, well, you will need to do it more than once. So we are going to wipe it in a little bit, see what we achieved, and we will spray it again. But so far, way better than what it was. We're super excited to see how that's going to turn. So we need to get a dry towel now, guys. We need to wipe it, give it a good wipe, make sure it's dry, so we can inspect it and see where we need to do more. But so far, you can see how much cleaner it is compared to the one right here. Check this thing out, how dirty it is. Okay, this one, how clean and smooth, and it will not be shiny. It will have that matte finish. That's how it's supposed to be. So we'll go one more time and stay with us. We'll remove the tape, we'll compare both pieces and see how big of a difference and what you need to do after you clean it, guys. Definitely need to do that, otherwise the leather will be dry and it will start cracking. So again, with the cleaner, and we're going to give it a good clean with the brush. Okay, let's wipe it again and see what we achieved now. You need to make sure that you get all the foam, because the dirt is in the foam, and if you don't remove that foam, it will soak back in the leather, and you don't want that to happen, because whatever it did, it just doesn't work. And you can see it is like brand new clean. You can see there is nothing in the pores. We'll get another towel to make sure we dry. Okay, like that. Make sure you get everything dry. Okay guys, next we're using leather conditioner. Need to make sure the one that has the UV protection, vitamin E. Okay, and we're going to apply on the leather generously. Okay, don't save it, just apply as much as you can without flooding it too. And you need to get a microfiber applicator, which will be the best one. Okay, apply some on it, and we're going to rub it really good in the leather. Okay, and that will make it super nice, soft, elastic, so it will not crack. Okay, you can see how that thing works. It's amazing. little bit there. And if you have excess, you can use a microfiber towel and remove the if you have too much on top of the leather, but we're going to apply a little bit more so we can make that thing look like new and feels like new. Okay, that will be the microfiber towel that we will use, and we will just clean it after that so we don't have that greasy feeling. Okay, look how good looking that thing is now. And oh, you feel the difference now, how soft it is. You can just see it right here, how soft the leather is. And right here, watch, it's like plastic, it doesn't move, which will eventually crack. And this one is super nice, super soft, super elastic. So now let's remove the tape and compare both sides. Okay, let's wipe it. Okay guys, we're ready now, and let me show you what it looks like. Check this thing out. Okay, you can see how nice and soft it is. It has that matte finish, the pores are extremely clean, there is no dirt or anything left in it. And now we go to the other half that we didn't do yet, and you can just tell the difference yourself. Here's that shiny look, it's full of dirt and whatever else you can think of in the pores. It just looks terrible. And now compare again what we achieved now. You can see when we get close, that thing feels like new leather, even though it's a 10-year-old leather that nobody took care of. So thank you guys for watching, don't forget to subscribe, give us a like. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you guys next time.